Good evening, friends. Welcome to the fourth match of Lanka Premier League. GG West CK preview. Before starting the preview of this match, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Granley so that you will get my channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any update or there is any change in lineups also, I will inform you in my Telegram channel only. Now we will start the preview, so I will not waste your time. I will explain you everything. So please listen carefully. When you will be Mahindra Rajpakkha International Stadium, there are 10 strips in this pitch only. So there will be changing of strips also. So pitch report is so far the batsmen haven't found any difficulties in scoring runs, and the same can be expected in this game as well. However, the spinners might get some assistance once the match reaches the last stages. GG team news is injury update unavailability. There are no injury concerns or unavailability in the squad, and all players are available for selections in GKS GG team Dream 11 team predictions. And expected changes and team combinations are the only like changes in 11 could be the Cedric Walton making way for Jajai. There are less chances that Jajai will come, so because Walton has played only one match only, so we can wait for 2 to 3 matches so that we can see how Walton is playing. So maybe there are less chances Jajai will come. And CK team news is injury update unavailability. There are no injury concerns in the Kings camp. All players are available for selection, and expected changes and team combinations are after a win in the last game, the management might for the same 11 taking the field for this game. And GG playing 11 probably will be Guntilak and Jajai or Walton, Ajim Khan, Rajapaksa, Afridi, Dhananjay, Sirvardhana, Jayasuriya, M. Siraj or L. Sandakan, Mohammad Amir and A. Ferrando. GK playing 11 will be T. D. Silva, Aponso, Chandimal, Evans, Russell, Priyanjan, Chamir and Vanderse or Goni or D. Prasad, Matthews, Kwais Ahmad, Amit and Isur Udana. GG player stats are D. Guntalek is the another very excellent opener batsman. 24 matches, 473 runs and 5 wickets. Cedric Walton, 152 matches, 3,584 runs. He is a well good hitter, hitting batsman. He has a very good quality also. So he can clear the ball very well also. So there are high chances. So don't drop him also. Jaja also another very important player who can score very well also. So if Jaja is there, so you can go with him. He is also another opener batsman, Ajim Khan, who performed average in the last game, but he is the another good hitter from this team. He can score very well. So by taking risk also you can go with Ajim Khan also. 22 matches, 450 runs, and Rajapaksa, two down batsman. He is also good hitting batsman, 6 matches, 184 runs. And Melinda Sirvadna is another experienced player who can score very well and who can bowl 2 to 3 hours also. 90 matches, 1812 runs, 47 wickets. Shaheen Afridi, as you all know, is a very good hitter. 99 matches, 1416 runs and 98 wickets. Jayasuriya is also another good batsman, but he is coming in very low middle order batsman. 18 matches, 241 runs and 3 wickets. And as you know that he is not bowling also, so you can avoid him if you want. Akhil Dhananjay is also another good leg spinner who can get 2 to 3 wickets also, who can bat very well. Mohammad Amir, as you know, opener bowling and depth bowling for GG team, he is a very important bowler. And Lakmal is also another good player, 17 matches, 17 wickets. M. Siraj, 2 matches, 2 wickets. GK player stats at Dinesh Chandimal, 54 matches, 800 runs. He is a very good experienced batsman in T20 formats also. And D. Silva is another good opener, 3 matches, 3 runs, but he scored previous match 26 runs, so you can go with any one opener. And Evans is, as you know, is very good, excellent player in T20 formats who can score very well. So he failed previous match like scoring 25 runs only, 156 matches, 3,624 runs. He can be very red hot from in this match, so you can go with him. Matthews is the captain of this team, so he can play very crucial role. Previous match he failed very well, he failed badly also, so you can take him this match so that he can perform with ball or bat also. 75 matches, 1119 runs, 38 wickets. Andrew Russell is the another big man from CK team. 49 matches, 540 runs and 26 wickets. Priyanjan, 4 down batsman, 3 matches, 54 runs, but he will bowl 2 to 3 overs also in the middle over. Rodana is also another good batsman and good bowler also, who can have some variation in bowling side also. Chamir also another good opening and depth bowlers. These two bowlers are very important from CK team because these two bowlers will bowl opening and depth bowlers also, so they have high chances of getting some wickets also. Hamid Ahmad Qais Ahmad also another good player. 1 matches 3 wickets. Aponso is a middle order batsman, and Mgone Beltramanda is another good player. If he is there in his match, please go with him because he also has a very good record in T20 format. Opening bowling from GG team is Akhil Dhananjay, Mohammad Amir, Ferrando, and middle order bowling is Shaheen Afridi, M Siraj, M Sirvardhan. Death bowlers Mohammad Amir, M Siraj, and A Ferrando. Please try to think only one thing is that opening bowling and death bowling, these two paces are very important so that bowlers can get very crucial wickets. Middle order bowling also very crucial, but they don't get so many wickets only. So try to go with opening and depth bowling combination. And opening bowling for CK team is Samir, M Goni, Udana, and Matthews. Middle order bowling is A Priyanjan, M Goni, Aponso. Depth bowlers are Samir, Goni, Udana. So try to think one thing. If M Goni is there, so try to go with Samir, M Goni, and Udana, because these three bowlers can change the match very well. And players who are best but didn't perform in previous match and you must try them in Grand League is M Sirvardhan, A Priyanjan, and A Farno. These three players are very excellent players, but they didn't perform very well. So if you are going with so many teams, so that you can take one of them in that team, so that your team can be in good rank in Grand League. So don't forget, try to take them in Grand Leagues. Captain and vice captain choices are 11, say Russell, Matthews, Chandimal, Rajapaksa. Because as we are seeing, this is the fourth match, but the dream team captains are going like almost batsmen only, because batsmen are playing very vital role in this tournament. So try to change captain and vice captain and try to play in Grand Leagues only. And risky captain and vice captains are M Sirvardhan and A Priyanjan, Azim Khan. My Telegram channel name is Target for Grand League, and try to play different fantasy apps like Ballebaji and Player Sports and Prime Captain, so that you can earn some lot of amount in various apps also. And previous teams of this tournament, you can see these are the results I am showing you, and these are the results. This is the first match, and we can go with them, and this is the second match, and this is the match which is going on. So as I will give you one safe team and one risky team. So I will post you before 5 minutes only. If you want to go with them, you can go with them. So try to subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Telegram channel link will be in my description. Share this video to your friends. Thank you, friends.